Becoming aware today, as you go through your day, of times in which you are distracted or looking for distractions from feeling particular feelings, thoughts, and emotions that may arise in your mind and your body today. Perhaps this is times that you are reaching for your phone or switching on the TV or other external reactions. How would it feel to sit in these difficult feelings, if only for a moment or a few seconds? Perhaps expanding your tolerance to the things that are triggering you or causing discomfort or difficulty in your mind and body today.